that was filed and dismissed that you're mentioning is one of those cases na kasama yung kay Colonel Marcos and
None.
the 19?
None, sir.
That is
None.
not,
Wala, hindi kasali si Sir Marco, sir.
that is not part.
Hindi, sir.
So, iba pa yon.
Diba, sir?
Iba pa. Sigurado ka?
Yes, sir. Sa filing of complaint ko sa DOJ, sa RIAS, kay Uniform Personnel at saka sa NIAS, hindi ko natandaan yung pangalan ni Sir Marco, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sige. Okay. Thank you. Anyway, Colonel Marcos, at least, sinabi ni Colonel Espinido na your name was not in the list, no? Sa kanyang memory is not in the list. Doon sa logbook ata, may logbook ano? May logbook siya pero your name was not in the list.
Opo sir, hindi naman po talaga, wala naman po talaga yung pangalan ko.
Hindi. You cannot prove it because the list is with Colonel Espinido and coming from the mouth of Colonel Espinido that officers that was filed the cases may dismissal pero na-exonerate because of the order from sa taas. Sandali po. Sandali lang po. Dahan-dahan lang. Basta ang sinasabi ko lang po, pasalamat ka na sinasabi ngayon ni Colonel Espinido na you're not in the list of those officers that was mentioned by him by the orders from taas was exonerated. Okay?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, now, let me proceed with... wala kasi si Colonel Patay. Inyo, kaklase mo ba si Colonel Patay? Hindi, no? Class 96 ka, 97 siya, tama?
Yes sir, 97 po si Colonel Patay.
Colonel Garma, do you have any knowledge, information, if Colonel Patay has a case?
He told me that he has cases, facing mga cases po.
May mga cases.
Nagsabi siya noon sa akin, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but you confirm also that he's in the class 97.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, Colonel Marcos, kaklase mo si Colonel Leonardo. Tama?
Yes sir.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, do you confirm? Nakaklase mo po si ano?
Correct po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Do you have also cases that was filed against you? May mga kaso ka ba? No nakaraan? Except dun sa ano before, that's why nag-turn back ka because you confirmed kanina kay Chairman Acop na you have a murder case. Homicide ba yun? O murder? Kaya na-turn back ka?
Ano po, murder po, sir.
Murder. Okay. Pero when after graduation from the PNP and your career, no, with the PNP until you resign, you retire, do you have a case?
Meron po ako mga cases na naipile sa akin.
Anong cases yun?
Iba-iba po, Mr. Chair. Ito po ay yung mga bunga po ng pagtatrabaho namin. Minsan binabalikan po kami ng kaso, Mr.
Pero ano yun? Murder? Homicide?
Iba-iba po. Meron pong murder.
Hindi nga, tinatanong nga kita,
Meron pong
iba-iba.
murder sa tingin ko po.
Wala ka bang kasong murder?
Meron
During
po.
stint? Colonel, ayaw ko. Tinatanong kita diretso. Kasi ang simpleng sagot dapat, may kaso po ako na murder. May kaso po ako administrative lang. May kaso po.
Apo, meron po.
Napaka-defensive mo agad eh.
Pasensya po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, last na lang to. Now, wala si Colonel Patay. Some of the invitees in the next hearing was moved by Co-Chair Dan Fernandez. Yung mga ininvita mo, kanina, nag-move ka to invite them. Ganito lang po. No, I have nothing against class 96 and 97 kasi maraming matitino eh. No, I have no judgment. Well, in fact, Fortaleza was also class 97. Dunggail, now in detention, was also class 97. Kaklase din ni, di ba ma'am, kaklase mo si Dunggail. they were involved in the kidnapping dun sa Bacolod City, pero drugs din yon. Drugs din. Anyway, ganito. Kanina nung tinanong kayo ni Chairman Akop, on the day of June 28, 2016, you confirmed that you were there in Davao. Tama? Kanina. Kanina,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
nandun kayo. Nandun yung kaklase mo rin, mga kaklase mo.
Yes, Mr.
Not all,
Chair.
not all.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Colonel Leonardo, you confirm also kanina na nandun kayo, di ba?
Hindi lang po ako sure sa date, Mr. Chair, pero nandun po ako.
Ako,
Mr. Chair.
sigurado ako.
Okay po, kung yun po ang ano.
Oh, June
okay
28.
po. Ay,
Sigurado ako.
kukonfirm
Colonel
po.
Marcos, are you also present during the time? June 28? Sa Davao? In that meeting?
I cannot recall, sir, na nakatin ako ng meeting noon that date, sir. Parang wala, sir. Hindi ako sure, sir.
Colonel Leonardo.
Pero pumupunta po ako ng Davao, sir, because of...
Hindi, ito, Colonel Marcos. That was the time, 3 days before President Duterte assumes office.
No, sir, I don't think so. Hindi ako,
Wala ka?
Hindi ako pumunta nung petsa na yan, sir.
Sigurado
Mr.
ka?
Chair.
Colonel Leonardo, is Colonel Marcos present during the time?
Meron
Ikaw lang kumbida eh.
Totoo po yun. Meron pong mga classmate ko na nagpunta po ng Davao.
Oh, is Colonel
Hindi lang po ako
Marcos-
sure doon sa pecha, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Hindi lang po ako sure doon sa pecha kung...
Okay, sige, hindi natin
28
pag-usapan
nga po,
petsa.
Mr. Chair. Opo.
Ganito na lang. Yung sinasabi mo, Colonel Garman, na pagtitipon doon sa Davao, that was June 28. O sige, sabihin na natin. Yung petsa, hindi kayo sigurado. Pero si Chairman Akop, sigurado siya dahil tinanong niya na kanina di ba? Now, etong tanong. Anong lugar yon? Colonel Leonardo, anong lugar yon? Saan yon?
Yung...
Oh, Colonel Leonardo,
Teka.
gusto mo ako pa magsasalita? I want you to
nire-recall ko lang po.
truthfully, I want you to truthfully tell this committee.
I will, Mr. Chair.
Oh, what-
Just give me a few minutes, a few seconds, Mr. Chair. Nire-recall ko lang po. Pasensya na po.
Saan?
Okay po sa inyo, Mr. Chair.
Saan?
Ang pagkakaalala ko, nagkita-kita po kasi kami dahil
Saan muna? At tanong ko saan eh.
marami pong place na ano
Hindi, yung June 28.
meron ko
Eto sabihin ko lang sa iyo Eto, Colonel Pag nagsinungaling ka, pasensyahan tayo dito. O second floor kayo. Di ba? O,
doon po sa may DPWH sa office na unang office po ni PRRD po doon.
office ni PRRD. Tama?
Tama po.
Okay. So, Colonel Marcos, hindi mo matandaan, wala ka doon? Sigurado ka?
Hindi ko lang po, Mr. Chair, matandaan yung date, pero nasa Davao po ako.
Pero nakapunta ka rin doon.
Nakapunta
doon
rin.
sa sinasabi ni Colonel Leonardo na lugar.
Opo, nakapunta po
Nakapunta
ako
ka ron. Okay. So, Mr. Chairman, just for the record, nung sinabi ko na nasa second floor, natandaan ka agad ni Colonel Leonardo. At anyway, Mr. Chairman, I hope in the next hearing, sabihin na po nila ng totoo kasi si Chairman Akop has also holdings about your meetings and I hope you will tell all, especially Colonel Leonardo and Colonel Garma. Kasi wala rin, may ipit din kayo dito just in case, alam niya ni Chairman Akop. I am giving you the chance, Colonel Leonardo.
Kino-confirm ko na po na...
Oo nga, pati yung meetings nyo. Gusto mo, sabihin ko pa sa iyo, Chairman Akop, sabihin ko yung kung paano kayo nilagay. Chairman Akop, do you give me the...
Kino-confirm ko na po, Mr. Chair.
Kino-confirm mo? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, into ko muna kasi I will just give them time also. Chairman ako, okay lang ba? Okay lang sa iyo? Na I will just give them time na wag muna.
Your choice, Mr.
Thank
Chairman.
you, thank you. Mr. Chairman, Colonel Leonardo, alam mo, bibigyan ko kayo, mag-isip kayo ni, especially kayo, Colonel Garma. Kasi, ayaw din namin. Pero ako, tandaan nyo, we're doing this for the country. No? Ako, hindi naman ako tatakbo na eh. Chairman Barbers, hindi rin eh. But we're doing this for the country and I hope all of us should cooperate. Kasi, Colonel Leonardo, kung ikaw, anak mo, kapatid mo, asawa mo, grandson, granddaughter mo, ilista lang, nilagay sa drug list, tapos ambusin, tapos all of a sudden, tanggalin yung pangalan. Oh, it happens. Di ba? Kaya kanina sinasabi mong successful yung drug war, I don't believe in that. Ako, ayaw ko mangyari yun. We are doing this in aid of legislation so that we can legislate in the House, in this 19th Congress, para hindi na mangyari in the future generation, in the future administration, whoever sits in this government. Ginagamit yung pulis. Diba? Kawawang pulis. Sabi nga ni Colonel Espinido, mabuti nga. Ako, hindi rin ako naniniwala doon sa sinabi ni Colonel Espinido noong nakaraan that the PNP is the biggest group, crime group in this country. Kasi maraming matitinong pulis. But of course, kung politika na, yan ang problema. Diba? And I hope next hearing, pagtutulungan natin to. Kasi ako, sinasabi ko na, I don't want that my family, that my daughters, sons, granddaughters, grandchildren, na maranasan nila ang ganitong pangyayari. 6 years of dark era in this country. Thousands yung namatay. Kaya ako, Mr. Chairman, I will just end this interpretation of this representation, but I hope in the next hearing, sana po, the resource persons will cooperate. And again, I have nothing against, ang dami ko pong kilalang class 96 din, ang dami ko rin kilalang class 97, class 98, yung kinakapatid ko po, class 2000, marami po akong kilala na matitinong pulis. Oo. Marami po akong kilala. Kaya lang, ang sinasabi ko nga, I hope we are doing this for the country and we are doing this for the next generation. As of now, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po. Thank you.